Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like a Princess Sophia from Charm School in DTI. So here we are channeling Princess Sophia from Barbie Princess Charm School in DTI, from elegant gowns to that signature sweetheart style. Here I'm going to show you the uniforms looks of the Princess Sophia. So if you want to recreate this look, let me show you how. So first, let's do the hairstyle. First, I'm going to use this updo here, this one, and turn off the bangs. I'll remove the bangs and color it blonde like this. And then I'm going to combine it with this afro hair, this one, make it the same color. And then here, last one, put on this bangs in here, make it blonde again. Now once you're done with the hair, you can start with the outfit. So first, I'm going to put on these code items, the uniforms, this one, but I'm going to remove the bow and only use the shirt like this. And then for the vest, I'm going to just go use this vest from the men's section, this one in here, turn off, or sorry, choose number 3 and color it blue. So I'm going to use this dark blue color, and I'm going to make the material matte like this. And here I'm going to put on this top in here and make the color the same, blue, and choose tight. And for the shoe, I'm going to use this Mary Jane shoe and toggle it in to add socks. Change the socks color into white, and let's do the skirt. So for the skirt here, I'm going to combine these two skirts, the first one in here, this one, and use these patterns and combine it with this one using the same patterns. If you want to, you can also use the body short to cover the part of the belly. Here I'm going to grab this books, and then here I'm going to put on the tie and change the color using the patterns like the skirt, and you are done. So you can also put on some earrings and also crowns if you want to. So this is how it looks. So whether you are walking the halls of Charm School or stepping onto the DTI stage, Sophia's regal energy will have all eyes on you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit on the thanks for more magical outfit inspo. Bye!